Hello, today we are going to build a filament dry box. As you know, 3D printing filament like to absorb humidity, and it could look like this. Stringing and imperfection everywhere, but I have a solution. A simple and practical dry box for under $15. First, you need to print the part. The link is in the description. At the end of this video, you will have a functional dry box. Let's get started. In my case, I printed the part with my Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. Here are all the parts that we need. The base, one PTFE adapter that you can print or buy, 4 bearings 608, you can print those as well, and 2 rollers. Put the bearing inside the rollers like in the video. Then put the rollers on the base, like this. Now you can put the silica gel inside the container. For the last part of the base, you need a sealed container. The minimal dimensions are 22 cm of length, 8.51 cm of width, 24 cm of height. The link is in the description. In my case, my box is 2 times bigger to fit 2 spools. Now you need to drill a hole on the top cover, then put the PTFE adapter. Finally, put the base and the spool inside of the container. Connect the PTFE tube and now you're ready to print. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. If you need help, leave a comment and I will help you. Goodbye.